What's up everyone, Peakey here. Today I did something a bit dumb. You see, I bought a guitar part from China, which, red flags, but it's this fretboard. So I have a guitar that I want to replace the fretboard on. I'll put a little picture up here somewhere. So I bought it, but if you look real close, it doesn't look very good. I did message the guy. He said it was just glue, and if I sand it away it will turn out the way I want it to, so that's what we're going to do today. But here's a sneak peek of what I've been working on. If you want to see, if I can get it, there we go. If you want to see how that turns out, obviously subscribe, like the video, all that stuff. So yeah, I guess we'll see if this isn't shit. So why did I buy it? Well, if you look on the guitar that I put on the screen, I'll put it on the screen again. One of the fretboards has the dots, which it's not the original neck anyway, so I want to replace the fretboard with this one. I could have made the inlays and done it all myself, but I found this one pretty cheap, so we'll find out if we can find if cheap things on eBay are sometimes worth it. Let's find out. Hello. So the thing is, this actually does look like a pretty nice piece of rosewood. Like, if you look at it, looks good, but is it actually good? There's probably an arborist or a botanist who might tell me this is definitely not rosewood. I don't normally go for rosewood fretboards. I tend to like darker wood, like ebony. Even though the one I'm working on at the moment, that's not this one. It's actually a bird's eye maple. But it looks pretty good for now. Alright, so I got my sanding blocks here. I didn't think to check what radius the guitar had before I put this stuff on, so I just had to hold it up to the guitar real quick, and we're gonna go with that. Oh yeah, this has been stuck on for a while. We're gonna go with a 12-inch radius. And this one. Alright, let's get started. Right, it's been a while since I've radiused a fretboard, I'll be honest, but this seems to be going faster than it should. Maybe it's just the way the dust is collected, actually looking at it, but I don't know. If it's not wood, then what is it? You know? Just gotta make sure I'm doing it straight too. Okay. Okay, so you might not have been lying to me to start with, because on this 12th fret the glue's disappeared and the glue's disappeared and it's revealed shell, so that's a good sign. But on the 15th and 17th fret it still looks pretty bad. I don't think the sanding hit there yet, but it also means that the shell isn't flat, it's on an angle. So while the glue might disappear here and reveal shell, the shell that's exposed could disappear, and that's what I'm worried about. That's why I'm filming this, because when I go to send it back, if it's no good, I can say, well, you told me to do it, I did it. I did it properly, and it's still faulty, give me my money back, and I'll do it myself. And that'll be another video once I finish everything else I'm working on. Alright, back to it. I forgot how much this hurts your hands. Okay, new problem. I don't think I had a problem with the 19th fret before, but it looks like I'm going through the shell. It seems to be doing okay with the other two, but I'm not sure what's going on with this 19th fret. I'm gonna go collect this sawdust. Never know when you might need it. Okay, so at this point the fretboard is radius, like it's a usable radius, but that glue's still there, which means this might go down pretty deep and we might lose that shell that I said earlier. But I guess we'll keep going and find out. He said if I sand it away it'll be perfect, so let's go for it. Okay, so 12th and 15th fret are good. 17th fret has a tiny bit of glue left, but it looks like that'll come up good. This 19th fret, sorry, I just got lost in my fretboard. A little bit of glue, but it's disappearing, so that might be good. I was more worried about more glue appearing than disappearing, which would have been really bad, but I guess we'll see when we're done. Alright guys, I think we're pretty much done. So, if you have a look. Here. That's a bit hard to see. But here's the 12th fret. You see the glue's pretty much gone. The 15th, 17th fret look pretty nice. There's still just a little smidge of glue there that I don't think will sand out. I did say the 19th fret had I don't know, just glue seemed to appear on it, so I don't know quite what happened there. But it looks usable, let's put it that way. So should you buy it from a fretboard from China? I think it's hit or miss. I think I got pretty lucky with this one actually, because let me show you. When you radius a fretboard, because it tapers inwards from the bottom to the top, that means these first few frets get radiused completely before the rest of the fretboard, and it kind of works in like a triangle. So because the angle is like that, it means I don't know, I can't really show you. Visualizing it's hard, but just trust me on this one. So as I was sanding down here, and because I have to keep it even, you have to do the entire fretboard single pass after single pass, which takes a very long time. I actually don't know how long this took. But I was getting pretty worried that I'd actually lose the shell on those first few frets, because I was standing down quite a bit, and it's not good. Other reasons, but I was going to say other reasons why I shouldn't buy a fretboard from China. There's not really any reason not to buy a fretboard from China. It just has I guess a stereotype around it that things from China are cheap, crap quality, which I know they do things cheap, but why did I do it? Well, I didn't really want to do it myself because I have this other inlay project that I'm working on, which has taken 6 months so far. And it was cheaper for me to buy this and radius it myself or whatever than it was to buy the wood, buy the shell, cut it out, cut it to size, cut the holes with the shell out, glue it in, radius it. So I just figured I'd take the plunge, so I bought it so you didn't have to, and you can find out the result. The other thing is there are side dot markers already in here, which they don't look very nice. I think they're covered in sawdust at the moment, so I can't show you. They don't look like they're at least centered. I'm just looking at them now, but I always, don't know why, the 12th fret ones are always on that angle, and I don't know why that is, but that's okay because they actually sent this with binding, and I'm going to use binding because that's what's on the guitar this is intended for. Other problems is, if you actually look at the fretboards, I haven't checked my other guitar to see what it's like, but you can see the glue lines around the edge of the fretboard are a little bit bigger than I would expect or like. So that's just a me thing, because I notice stuff like that. Like if you're on stage playing with your double neck 12 string with the block inlays, I can't plug the thing. No one's going to notice when you're on stage. If you're on stage, if you play on stage, not me, because I'm too self-conscious and I can't perform for shit. I can't play very well either, so. So what's next? Well, if you want to see it on the guitar, I'll get around to doing that eventually. I'm hoping to do some more vloggy type stuff like this, maybe, if you guys are interested. Or you can check me out on Twitch, twitch.tv/peakeygames, all one word. All the links are in the description. There's a Facebook thing, there's an Instagram. I have TikTok as well, but who uses TikTok really? Seriously. Don't know what else to say. If you want to see my other projects, make sure you subscribe. There's a bee flying around. I don't know what's next. Guess we'll see. Like, it turned out alright. I guess I better send the guy an email that it's okay and I'm happy with it. Now I just gotta put it on my 1970 something Ibanez double neck. I gotta buy some fret wire as well, and then I gotta, yeah. Anyway, I'll see you all next time, I guess. Who's ringing their bells? Who's ringing bells? I thought that was a wasp. There's wasps around here. Alright, I'll see you later, guys.
Oh, that goes in. Too good. How did I get that?